Okay, so I'm going to be doing a short run graph for a firm. So let me start with my graph here. This being price, this being quantity. So when we're going to do this, we're going to start with our marginal cost curve, which will look like kind of like a Nike swoosh as it lowers and then raises. So this would be marginal cost up here, MC. And the next curve we can do an average fixed cost. Do it kind of like this. Average fixed cost at AFC. Then what we can do is we can do an average variable cost. An average total cost would be next. So it lowers all the way until it hits this point on the marginal cost curve right here. And then it raises up again. So that would be average total cost, ATC. And then average variable cost would kind of follow the same path, and then it would go down until it hit the point on the marginal cost curve again, and then it would go up again. It would get closer to the average total cost curve, but it would never actually hit it because of fixed cost. So this is average variable cost. And this gap right here actually is average fixed cost. Just like down at the bottom. So that is a short run graph. And so next I can show you a long run graph. So in the long run, let me put this back down. Another graph like this. Instead, we would have, well, let me first do price, quantity. Okay. So long run looks kind of like a big U. So it would be going down like this, then hit the bottom, flat, then it would start to come up again at the other side. So, change my color. Now I'm going to divide this into thirds. The long run is divided into thirds. So in this section over here is called economies of scale. Economies, that was a bad eye, of scale, where the graph is slowly decreasing. Then in the middle is called constant returns to scale. Returns to scale. And then at the end, this last section right here is called diseconomies of scale, where the price starts raising up again. So economies of scale, where the price is lowering while the quantity is increasing. Then constant returns to scale, where it's the same constant, and then diseconomies of scale, where the price raises again. So, in this point down here, where the economies of scale, which is its lowest point before bottoming out, is called minimum efficiency scale, or MES. So minimum efficiency scale. So, and this would look like, so yeah, that is our long run graph. We have our short run and our long run, and our long run graph would have a ton of different short run firms on here. So there would be marginal cost curve like here and here and here, and go all the way, and they'd overlap with each other all the way across, and you could see, and then you could see how many firms it would be like more efficient that they need to make to do something. So those are our short run, long run graphs.